Hi everyone, I'm Randall from Tax Samaritan. Living as a US expat usually means your life is spread across borders. But then life happens. You apply for a mortgage, you need financial aid for a child's education, or, and we see this a lot, you need to fix an old issue with the IRS and realize you don't have copies of your past returns. Don't panic. You don't need to dig through a storage unit in another country. Today, I'm going to show you how to use IRS Form 4506T to get exactly what you need for free directly from the IRS. So what is this form? Essentially, Form 4506T is your request for a transcript of your tax return. Now, I want to clarify something important. A transcript isn't a photocopy of your original return. Most banks and lenders actually prefer these because they come directly from the IRS. There are a few other types of transcripts you can ask for. The return transcript, as I mentioned before, this shows your AGI and the big numbers from your original filing. The account transcript, this is great if you've had a dispute, as it shows payments or penalties applied after you filed. And finally, the wage and income transcript. This is a lifesaver if you lost your W-2s or 1099s. It shows what third parties reported to the IRS about you. Filling it out is straightforward, but for expats, there are a couple of gotchas to watch out for. Enter your personal information. Crucial tip, use the address the IRS has on file from your last tax return. If you've moved since then, you'll need to note that on the form. Step 2, choose your transcript type. Most people just need the tax return transcript. Step 3, specify the years. You can request up to 4 years on one form. Step 4, sign and date it. If it was a joint return, either you or your spouse can sign. Once it's ready, you just fax or mail it to the IRS. They usually process these within 10 business days. A quick word of advice. People often confuse Form 4506T with its brother form, Form 4506. The 4506 without the T is for a full photocopy of your return. That one costs $43 per year and takes weeks. Unless you're in a high-stakes legal battle, the 4506T is almost always the better choice because it's free and much faster. The IRS masks your social security number on these transcripts to protect you. Even so, treat these documents like gold. Only share them through encrypted channels. One last thing, these transcripts are also available online at the IRS website. However, the IRS does perform an identity validation, and oftentimes this is a step that's very difficult for expats that live outside of the US to complete. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by old tax issues, or if you're trying to reconstruct your records so you can get back into IRS compliance, this is exactly what we do here at Tax Samaritan. You don't have to navigate the IRS bureaucracy alone from thousands of miles away. Give us a call at 775-305-1040 or click the link below to request a free 30-minute consultation. We'll help you get the records you need and make sure your expat tax strategy is on solid ground. I'm Randall, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.